Bring the adventures of a commercial playground into your own backyard. Give your kids their very own clubhouse to create adventures, games, and imagine their next great voyage. The quality hardtop roof won't fade or rip over time, so they can enjoy years of creative adventures. They can zoom down the 9-foot Wavy Slide, built extra thick with low heat retention for their safety. Your kids can swing to new heights on the 3-station swing set, complete with 2 adjustable belt swings and a trapeze bar with gym rings, perfect for your future Olympic gymnast. And the swinging and twirling abilities of the propeller swing make it perfect for kids of all ages to enjoy. Ahoy, mate! The Lifetime Playset also includes a lookout deck, where the first mate can keep an eye out for pirates with the binoculars while the captain steers the way with the ship's wheel. For your little explorer, the 3D circular climbing wall has realistic rock texture and handholds, so your kids can experience lifelike rock climbing in their own backyard. The wall's unique climbing design is extra fun for climbing on both the inside and outside of the curved wall, giving your future climber plenty of room to explore. All Lifetime playground equipment is built with your child's safety in mind. We have rubberized chain grips to prevent little fingers from being caught or pinched, and hard edges have all been rounded or covered. Our playsets are extremely safe, so you don't have to worry about your kids getting slivers, scrapes, or cuts with Lifetime playgrounds. With UV-resistant, all-weather polyethylene construction, Lifetime playgrounds will not crack, warp, rot, or splinter. Put away those buckets of stain or paint. Lifetime playsets are virtually maintenance-free, will last for years, and are sure to be the envy of your neighborhood. So release those imaginations and let your kids have fun with the exciting features, while you enjoy the safety, good looks, and low maintenance of a Lifetime playset.